Let's learn the bird's name. A. A is for albatross. B. B is for blue jay. C. C is for cardinal. D. D is for duck. E. E is for eagle. F. F is for falcon. G. G is for goose. H. H is for hummingbird. I is for apes. J. J is for jay. K. K is for kingfisher. L. L is for lark. M. M is for magpie. N. N is for nightingale. O. O is for owl. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for quail. R. R is for robin. S. S is for sparrow. T. T is for toucan. U. U is for owl. V. V is for vulture. W. W is for woodpecker. X. X is for hunter hummingbird. Y. Y is for yellowhammer. Z. Z is for zebra finch.